Okay, the next problem that I want to do for you, I want to evaluate expressions by plugging in numbers and then using order of operations. I remember when I was in school, they always used to call it plug and chug, but I always thought, plug and chug, it always sounded like, do a problem, drink a pop or something. I don't know, so that kind of sounds weird. So, but you do plug things in and then you chug away, so I guess maybe that's why they said it. I don't know. They said some weird things when I was in school. Okay, so anyhow, see, they were kind of weird. They're not like me, because I never say weird things. All right, so anyhow, let's plug in these three numbers here where we need to. So I'm going to rewrite this expression, and I'm going to leave spaces where the letters are, and I will fill the space where C was. I will fill that in with -1, and I will fill in the A with a 2, and a B with a 3. And I'm going to do the multiplication first. So 3 times -1 is -3, plus, and then 2 times 3 is 6. And now I do the addition, so -3 plus 6 is 3. Now if you have trouble with negative numbers, don't panic, because we're going to get to negative numbers eventually. So for right now, for these tiny steps, use your calculator. But for the overall process, we don't, because we're learning PEMDAS. Okay, so let's do another one here. Rewrite the original expression, leave a space where the letters were, and where A is, I'm going to put a 2, and where B is, I'm going to put a 3, and where C is, I'm going to put a -1. And I get 2 times 2 is 4, because I do multiplication first. And then now I have subtraction and division. I'm going to do division, so 4 divided by -1 is -4 minus 3. And -4 minus 3, you can use your calculator at this point. You get -7. And I hope you enjoyed order of operations.